Hello, I'm Chris Menard. I'm continuing with my Excel for the web, showing you functions that you can use. Excel for the web is free. So recently I did the sort function. I did the filter function. Today is one of my favorite functions. It is the unique function. This works with an Office 365 account. So for example, it works on my Excel desktop version. If it's not working and you have an Office 365 account and it's not working yet, I'm going to reference this support article, but make sure you read this note down here saying when you'll get this function. It is the unique function. I want to know, in this data, I have products in column G. How many unique products do I have? So here is the unique function. I'm going to highlight all the products. So I should get, obviously the product A was ordered multiple times. I should see the letter A only once. The same thing with the letter B. Those are my unique products right there. The formula is only in cell K3, just like with sort and filter. If I try to delete K4, I can't. If I hit delete on K3, it goes away. Let me undo that. So there's that formula right there, equals unique, G2 to G25. The unique function has 3 arguments. So let me start using, I just did the default, I did the only required one. When I did G2 through G25, that is my array. By column is optional, and so is exactly once. So here we go again. I'm going to use the third argument. So equals unique. This is so cool right here. Comma, I'm not using by column in this example. I'll come back and use it. Comma, exactly once. I'm going to put to true. So this time I should only view and see products that are in G2 to G25 only once. Product D, product T, and product E. Let's see if that's true. I'm going to do conditional formatting to test this real quick. I could sort. I guess I could sort, but this will be easier. Home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. Look at that feature at the bottom. All the duplicate values should be highlighted, show D, T, and E should not be selected. I'm going to click OK. I'm taking the defaults. And there you go. D, T, and E. Here's why the unique function is so cool. I'm going to come down here and make this one the letter Z. It went over in column L. One more. The letter Y. It's over there. So I want to be clear about something about terminology. The function is clearly called the unique function, but if you want to talk about terminology, column K has what's called distinct. Column L are the true unique ones, just so if you ever get lost about that terminology. But the function is called the unique function. And there's what I did again, G2 to G25. Did not use the second argument, which is optional, but did use the third. Here we go one more time. Oh, one of the reasons I love the unique function, I wasn't even going to show this. I'm going to turn off this conditional formatting. So that was just extra stuff for you. Clear rules from the entire sheet. I could highlight, copy, and paste. I did pick up the header row this time, product. The reason I did, this will also give you unique, which is technically distinct. If I go to the data tab, there is remove duplicates. I use remove duplicates all the time. I love remove duplicates. What's your header? It is product, the header row. Hit OK. Hit OK. I have the same answers over in column Q that I do in column K. But here's the difference. With using the unique function, I'm going to come over here and change this letter A to the letter Q. It is in column K, but it is not over in column Q. because this is a one-timer. I would have to go do this again. That's why I love the unique function right here. By the way, it also showed up in column L. So I just wanted to show you that. Now, keep going with this. Watch this one. I'm just throwing this anywhere on the screen I can. Equals unique. Watch this. I'm going to highlight column F2 over to G25. What that is going to do is give me unique. Facebook did letter A. I'm looking for Facebook again. Facebook T, Facebook E, Facebook C. There's a Facebook A again in row 14. Here we go. So it gave me the unique, technically the distinct. So Facebook A is in there. Notice that TV here, TVB, the letter B is in there and the letter C is in there. I'm going to make this Google Ads TV, and I'm going to make it the letter D, and now it's over in column N and O. So I highlighted 2 columns. There's the formula again, how I did that one. If you say, Chris, that looks great, but you got Facebook, Google Ads, TV. Can you sort it? Sure. I'm going to just double click, and I'm going to add, I told you I would do this, I'm going to add the sort function before the unique function. Comma, what sort index do you want to use? The number 1, because column F is the first column that I selected. Comma, do you want to sort in a certain order? Sure, ascending would be the number 1. Perfect, and don't forget to close. There you go. So I got Facebook before Google Ads, Magazine, TV. It is working. Last one, in case you're wondering, so there's that function. If by chance you have data, this data is set up in a tabular format and it's perfect. But occasionally, I'm just making this up. I'm going to highlight all these products and copy them. I'm going to click right here and do a paste special. And I'm going to transpose, paste transpose. So instead of running up and down, they'll run left to right. Let's see if that's true, and it is. So if you have data running like this for some reason and you want to use the unique function, I'm going to highlight all this. Perfect. Here's what's tricky. The first time I did this, I just took the default argument, but watch what happens now when I press enter. Instead of getting the unique, technically the distinct, it doesn't do anything. Even if I close it off, it gives me every one of them again. So what you have to do is, because I'm running across, is I'm going to do a comma, and I'm using the second argument now. I told you I'd come back and use this. Do you want to use by column? True. And I don't need the third argument. There I go. Row 30 has the answer. I used the second argument, which was optional. Also, again, I could still, though, if I wanted to, do a comma and do another true. And there are my true unique in row 30, matching column L. So there you go. That's all I've got for the unique function today. I will put a link to Microsoft support site about the unique function. Don't forget to read this little note if you have an Office 365 account. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got more videos coming. Thank you for your time. Everyone have a great day. If you have any questions at all about how the unique function works, or the sort function, or the filter function, I'll put links actually to all of those videos, sort and filter, down below. Thank you.